Hello friends, this is Dorian Rachamim, founder of PowerKid. Oh, hello. And today I'm going to show you how to do question number 9, which is on page 369 in the first No Calculator math section of this book, which can be downloaded for free on Khan Academy. Here goes. What is the solution x comma y to the system of equations above? Okay, when they say x comma y, what is the solution? They mean x equals question mark and y equals question mark. We just want to know what x and y both equal. Now this is a system of equations. The test has a lot of systems of equations on it. If you don't know how to do systems of equations questions, then you owe it to yourself to get really good at them. And if you need, I can hook you up with some sweet worksheets for free that have tons of system of equations problems on them. Okay. Now systems of equations can be solved in two different ways, substitution and elimination. But I like elimination because elimination works all the time. So the first thing I'm going to do is write out this question in my own handwriting, because writing questions out in your own handwriting allows you to take the test on your own terms instead of the test's terms. Now you'll notice what I just did there. I rewrote it so that the y's are stacked on top of each other and the x's are stacked on top of each other. This is essential for elimination because when we're doing an elimination, we are trying to delete one of these variables from the result, and I'll show you what I mean. So this has a negative x and a positive 3x. I want the coefficient on this x to also equal 3, and you'll see why. So to do that, I'm going to multiply this side of the equation by 3 and this side of the equation by 3, which has these implied parentheses and uses the distributive property. So rewriting everything again, we get 3x plus 4y's equals negative 23. And after doing this distribution, we get negative 3x's plus 6y's equals negative 57. Let me know now if that's not accurate. Now to do an elimination, I'm going to add these two equations together. That's how elimination works. And when you add 3x to negative 3x, you'll notice this gets a 0. Which is what we wanted. We wanted for there to only be one variable left. 4y plus 6y adds together to get 10y, and negative 23 plus negative 57 adds up to get negative 80. Dividing both sides by 10, crosses out that 10 there, divides that by 10, and we will get y equals negative 8. You will notice that only one of these answers has a negative 8 in it, which is fantastic. So we've got the answer. But I'm also going to show you how to get the x if you don't know how. To get the x, all you do is substitute in the y. So I'll just do 3x plus 4 negative 8's. And you could have substituted this negative 8 into either equation equals negative 23. I'm going to continue this up here so we can all see what's going on. And that gets us 3x minus 32 equals negative 23. I'm going to add 32 to both sides because I want to get that 3x on its own. And I will get 3x's equals 32 minus 23. Let's see, 32 minus 20 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 3x equals 9. I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 3. And that will get me regular x equals regular 3. Boom. Which works out according to letter B. 3, negative 8.